Welcome to Micam. We appreciate you visiting our website. We have made this short video to explain you how Micam works. Micam is a communication portal where you can make conversation with other people in real time. Firstly, in order to join the community, you need to register. The registration process is as easy as possible and only takes a few seconds. There are two types of accounts you can set up: standard profile and alpha. The main difference between them is that alphas can create conversations and earn money. We recommend to register the standard profile first, and once you have decided to make some money from Micam, you can always upgrade to alpha. In the next few steps, you will fill in the required fields and that's it. Simple. Welcome to Micam. The new profile is empty at the moment, so let's start with filling it out with personal information by clicking on Edit your profile. You can personalize your profile by uploading your photos and choosing your location. Other more advanced settings can be added in the Settings/Profile section. The Add Tags area is here to provide you with the content you may be interested in. That's why Micam uses tags. Simply type your tags, and if someone mentions them, you will be noticed. Let's say I'm interested in Apple, guitar, marketing, and London. If someone creates a conversation where at least one of these tags is mentioned, I get a notification to my profile. This is an easy way how one can stay up to date. Now I can see all the conversations with the tags I have chosen as recommended. From the time point of view, there are three types of conversations: upcoming conversations with the countdown, active conversations which can be accessed immediately, and archived conversations. This active conversation is streaming, which means that only the creator can be seen and others can join only as viewers. On the top left, there is the title of the conversation with tags that best describe the content of the streaming. Next to that, on the right, there are Facebook and Twitter sharing buttons. Using them, you can let your friends know about this conversation. The embed function will give you a code and allow you to embed the actual conversation. The I love this button gives the conversation a better rating on Micam. If you like the conversation and want to know more about it, use the follow button and become a follower of this conversation. If you wish to add more tags, you can always do so on the left side in your profile. On the top right, you will be shown all the conversations and people you follow. You can simply type a name into the input field and search. From the search results, you can choose the output you have been looking for and start following it. You are following section now contains people you follow and the conversation they have created. Of course, you can follow as many profiles as you want to. It's up to you how many friends you make through Micam. On the other hand, people who choose to follow you will become your followers. It's very easy to join a conversation or to create one. The first thing you need to do is to decide whether you want to create a public conversation or a private one. Private conversations are accessible only for people you invite. The public ones are open to everyone. I'm going to show you how to create a private conversation. You just type the name of the conversation, write a short description, set the date and the time when the conversation will take place. In the last step, invite some of your friends you want to make a conversation with. You must agree with the terms of use before you create a conversation. In your profile, the new conversation has been added to your conversation section. Now, we will travel in time to the point when the conversation starts. As you can see, the conversation becomes active and we can enter it. Here we are in the middle of the conversation where people are talking to each other. By clicking on full screen, you can enhance the experience from the conversation. Making conversation is pretty simple, but let's mention that you can add up to 20 people to one conversation and resize the windows in the way you want. By selecting the More menu in the Users window, you can also rate the user, report inappropriate behavior, or send a private message. And this basically is the idea behind Micam. There is plenty of stuff on the website we could talk about, but it's always better to explore it by oneself. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope to see you on Micam very soon.